YouTube, what's up, man? We're currently on our way to a job interview. Well, not interview, orientation. Look at this shit, man. These got me in the traffic. Like, bro, I missed it by like 3 cars, bro. This shit, bro, we've been sitting here for 4 minutes, bro. I'm trying to get here early, bro. Now I'm 3 minutes later, bro. This is crazy. That's boy, cute dude. What they got going on, bro? They putting up a man. But yeah, we on the way to get a forklift job, bro. So yeah, we gotta prove that I could drive a forklift, and that's the shit I was doing at the Siemens job. So I'll be able to pass it, no problem. You feel me? So yeah. YouTube, what up, man? So we on the way to motherfucking the orientation place. We just left to Killanova. So that's the cheeses place. They make the cheeses. They actually got the cheeses on the conveyors getting put into the boxes of that bitch. So yeah, man. So we passed the forklift exam. The forklift easy to drive. All they shit different, but I can still drive it though. But yeah, we gotta go back to the temp agency to do the orientation. This one dude I was with there, he go to the same one as me, so I'm gonna meet him there. But yeah, man, so we got another job. That's good. I don't think they're gonna have us take a drug test, because the dude I was with, he was asking too. He was like, shit, did they have you take a drug test the first day I came? I was like, shit, hell no. Cause he came in and they didn't make him take a drug test either. So, but in our text message it said we had to take a drug test. So I think they just want people in, and they skipped that part. They was like, fuck the drug test. So yeah, so I'm gonna eat this food, because they wanted us to just go straight there, no food. I was like, fuck that, stop it. Cause we clocked out when we left the cheeses place. So yeah, fuck that, I ain't on the clock, I'm gonna eat. But yeah, man, we on the way to this shit, dog. New job. You know what I'm saying? You know this shit get hard, right?
Let that shit ride, 88.
So you know I don't fuck with none of these niggas for real. YouTube. Man, I'm leaving the staff zone, man. Them folk ain't had no work for me. They lame as hell. Showing off the sky though. Yeah. But yeah, man. Try to go in there and make a little hundred something, but it is what it is though. It is what it is, nigga. God, boy, look at all this pollen, boy. This shit OD. It's pollen season like a motherfucker. Look, my shit. My dad sprayed his car off last night. I don't even give a fuck. Fuck it. Fuck it. My shit, boy, this shit OD though. Yeah, man. You know, we start my new job tomorrow, no cap. Monday. We working for Keylog now, the place that make the cheeses and all that shit. You dig? So we got to go through 3 months. We make it through 3 months. We make anywhere from $20 to $25 an hour, which ain't bad. And they got where, like, if you work 2 days of overtime, you get double pay. That's double your hourly rate, which is pretty good. So yeah. Come on now, if I would have known this was going on, bro, I would have got him. Went the other way, bro. Why the fuck we can't go around this nigga bullshit? I don't think he was supposed to just... Yeah, bro. Let me sit my goddamn chair. I'm trying to eat my chicken nuggets. Fuck. They act like it's a shootout. Oh my God, why the fuck are they waiting, bro? Look at this bitch ass nigga, bro. He bullshitting. Why would you, bro? Police need to shoot his ass, bro. What the fuck is wrong with these people waiting, bro? Yo, it's insane. These people are fucking NPCs, yo. Why the fuck are you just sitting there waiting? Oh, shit. I'm like, damn, bro. What the fuck wrong with y'all? Like, waiting for what? Waiting for what, bro? Motherfuckers is retarded, bro. Look, man, so we at the job. These folks done switched up my whole assignment, gang. I done signed off on 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. They got me for 3 to 12, bro. So they fucked me over, so I gotta get another one for sure. But we got another building now. Work vibes. Day 2, man. You feel me? Crazy. No. Almost ain't making it back to this motherfucker place. Y'all see my hard hat. Y'all see this shit, man. Oh. Outside all day. Look at the bro. Food. What up, nigga? Man, so we just got off.
Use the left lane to exit. Left to merge onto I-440 east toward Wake Forest.
This fucking Kellanova job, man. And honestly, I do not like the job at all. It's not that easy, you know what I'm saying? You want to stand up forklift 12 hours a day, feet hurt.
Exit left.
And the shit they got me doing, I'm moving 24/7. Like, I don't get no breaks, no chill time, no downtime. It's if you're on that clock, if you're not on break, you are moving that forklift, moving the pallet back and forth, working. Like, it ain't no, you know. So it's just, and they like, I wouldn't be tripping about the job if I was getting what the company pays, which is like 22, a little over 22 an hour. But I'm getting the temp agency's pay, which is 17, so that shit just ain't hitting. Oh shit, big ass bump, nigga. What the fuck?
In 9.
What the fuck was all that? It just hit me, dude. It's coming from this truck. What the fuck is this guy flying in? Is that a Jaguar? You guys know I don't be speeding like that no more, dog. But we about to shoot this bitch up, though. I got some cosmetic mods coming, but we got an exhaust coming too, though. But I've been saying that for the longest, but yeah, man, I'm checking in on y'all boys. I ain't been checking in every day at all. Definitely ain't been checking in every day, but better late than never, you feel me? But yeah, man, we made it through this shift. Boy, I thought I be really wanting to quit in that bitch. I be like, man, fuck this shit, bro. I can't do this, bro. Fuck. Cause the nigga told me to speed up today, like, and I was already busting my ass. And nigga like, yeah, man, I need you to be a little faster on the line, man. I'm be like, I was just like, bro, what, nigga? I'm the only one on this bitch, like, cause it's like they got 2 belts of pallets that come down, and these pallets just come down like consistently, bro, like OD. And this nigga want me to keep, man, it's some bullshit. Nevertheless, man, but yeah, we're on the way to the crib, finna smoke. and we need to get some shit done. I got a lot of personal shit I need to get done. I gotta file my taxes. I got like a week left before the deadline is, so I need to go ahead and do that for sure. So yeah, I'm checking on y'all boys, man. I know it's the type shit just got off, man. Yeah, but the earth loud as fuck right now, though. I don't know, this feel like it's loud as fuck outside. Y'all see that big body motherfucker, man. Get a good look. Yeah. That bitch is so... Bro, am I tripping or it's quiet as a bitch out here, boy? I don't know. It feel like it ain't. It's just nothing going on. Just straight air flowing and that's it. YouTube, what's up, man? I'm leaving a motherfucking job interview for this pool shit. You know what I'm saying? Police got some crazy ass shit going on. Good. Bike. That's what it was. I got hurt or some shit. But yeah, man, we just did this pool interview. But I gotta check my driving record. I gotta drive like a company vehicle. I know my shit a little cooked, so we gonna see what they say about that shit. But yeah, I'm sitting here at this pool job, ready. Just got the used that, got all the leads up. Bro showing me how to do it that. Gotta put acid in it, all this extra shit, you feel me? But yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? We at this motherfucker though. Getting this money. Y'all know I got the warehouse job on top of this, so feel me? Just some part-time money, you dig? I'm in the city of days, man. Feel me? I'm enjoying my little shit. Now my camera right there. Yeah, man, I'm enjoying my little shit. You feel me? Off to ran down on someone mid-eat though. Like, come on now. That's tough. Hey, hot chicken though, man. This shit straight. This shit ain't all that. I ain't gonna lie. That shit straight though. Yeah. Crazy. Why the fuck he still doing it? He been doing that shit for like 5 minutes. What the fuck? That nigga trying to pin that shit on her, boy. Oh, man, he got her doing the whole test, bro. She gotta do the walk, bro. Oh shit. I'm weak as hell, bro. She better not fuck that shit up, bro. They talking about 1, 2. Damn, I ain't never seen nobody do that shit live like that though. Hold on, let's see though. Let's see if she get right. Damn, don't be drunk now, auntie. Come on now. Oh yeah, she good. She good. Come on, hold on. She got that.
Tell me where you going. 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 over there when I'm over. Tired of playing games, I'm sorry. Tired of playing games. I don't know where to start. Hold on, yeah, if we play with it a little more, I'm put it out to a little more. Tell me where you going. I done been so many places, I done seen so many faces, I don't know what to do. But if I don't go with that I wanna deal with break out the scene and that beat that flow. You know what I mean?
I thought this shit was been over. Stay low and get my rats up. Stay focused, that's what you told me. Keep it peak, never been, never full ski. No, I be low key, pop out with gold teeth. I wish you told me, wish you ain't know me. Got out of cold storm, I'm tryna let go. I be so tired of rainy days, they be so easy to distract. I'm tryna stay in my bag, son. You know you wasting time, what you do? You wonder where I've been, you wishing I would come over. I don't know what you got into, but I thought this shit was been over. Stay low and get my rats up. Stay focused, that's what you told me. Keep it peak, never been, never fall ski. No, I be low key, pop out with gold teeth. I wish you told me, wish you ain't know me. Got out of cold storm, I'm tryna let go. I be so tired of rainy days, they be so easy to crack. I'm tryna stay in my bag, son. You know you wasting time, what you doing?